sitting here waiting for my prescription. The pharmacists are on break for another couple minutes, so then the window will open and we will all receive our drugs. Say what? Yeah, I realize that. I'm just in line like you. Oh no, I really appreciate that. Thank you, man. Another guy in front of me. You know, they got the placards up on the window and stuff like that. So anyway, I figured this was a good time to just sit and vlog a little bit about what's been going on last couple days, just before the weekend, to let you in on how things are going. We've owned this house for, you know, since my wife and I got married, so probably about 7 years. And it's a 1960 build, and it's the kind of thing that it's the gift that keeps giving, because other families have lived there, and then, you know, like we've spent 7 years in there, and we moved in on some carpet which had been there a while, and we probably should have torn it out before even moving in, but we were in a hurry to kind of get out of the place we were in, and we were excited to get into our new house, and so we painted walls and stuff. We left the carpet down. Anyway, we tore the carpet up in our theater room recently, and a couple days ago, and then we had kids over, and then we had grandkids over, and then we had all sorts of fun and games. So I've been like busy with life, and so I would like to take this opportunity to apologize for the quality of the editing and in some of the last couple shows. I think I accidentally included opening an M2 twice, like once in 2 different episodes. I'm not sure, but the whole thing is here that, you know, life can happen to us YouTubers, so the channel has taken a little bit of a backseat, and I'm sorry for that, but we're gonna bring the quality up from now on, as we've always tried to do. We always try to make, you know, one thing better about each episode. So if we can get that to happen, then we're happy with it, and we hope you are happy with it too. You know, I won't keep talking about this, but I did want to apologize. All right, let's go have fun. It's raining. Welcome to the Monkey Shine Lab, everybody. Hey, look, it's a GameStop. Should we go in? So that's our downtown mall. I started walking around the place and I just started feeling so weird. It's not a place I can go anymore. Like, I don't know. I don't understand how people go to those places and find joy. But then again, they probably look at me going to a flea market and go, L. So, to each their own, right? Onward. So that was Dollar Tree. Did not see any Lego base plates in there, knockoff Lego base plates. Maybe I'll see it in editing or something, but that place is an absolute right old mess. Let's move on. It's a blustery day. It's kind of nice. It's turning out nice. Anyway, it's not raining anymore. And to celebrate that, let's go into Target. Shame the articulation on these
babysits like once a week.
She does more than that, but I don't know if she gets paid that. So I don't even.
I don't know, it's $20. I'm already spending too much. This is $20 too. Why is everything $20? Why can't they just be like 15 as a little treat?
Testify. I hear your screams. So, yeah, Unmasked Batman, the Eartha Kitt Catwoman, Penguin with no cigarette and no umbrella. It's real weird. Well, okay then. Still waiting. So that was actually a cool stop. Picked up 2 pieces of die cast. Who knew? Onward. We're leaving, but oh look, there's a GameStop.